welcome back to our channel. As you know, I am Ashley, and today we are going to be putting headers on Nick's R6. What kind of headers are we installing? Akrapovic headers. Alright, well let's get to work, right?
Lift this bad boy up. Oh my god, this is so sketchy.
And look. So before we do get started, we have to remove the whole left side of the fairings in order to access the headers.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So now that we got most of the fairings off, we're sprayed a WD-40 on the bolts to hopefully make it easier for us to take it off. And now it's time to open up this box. Oh my god. Jesus. And they look like they put all the hardware on the side. And because we have our headers here. Well, we started on the wrong side. So we're just gonna remove both sides. Well, now that you can see, we have both sides off. Now we can access the headers much easier. Oh, that was sick. Okay guys, so now I have a 12mm wrench. We are going to remove 8 of these headers French nuts. Can y'all see that?
There they are.
Yeah, right here.
There they are. So how many of them are there?
There are 8 of them.
8.
So with our wrench, we're gonna go right in. It's gonna start moving. This is hard as fuck.
Stay on your own.
Yeah, thank you. Now I have a full range here. Hey, we did over there. Well, great news. We definitely got all of the hard, difficult, stubborn nuts out from our headers. The only bad news was that in the process of it, we were unable to successfully get the O2 lines taken off just because we believe it is hold on with a, what was it called? A Loctite seal. With that being said, we are not finishing it today, so we're gonna pack this up, put it in the garage, and we're gonna finish it another day. And welcome back to day 2 of putting headers on Nick's bike. As you can see, we got the O2 sensor off. Our neighbor was actually really kind to help us out with that. But this is Nick's headers. Well, this part. And this is Nick's slip-on exhaust. Over the years of riding, it kind of got damaged just because, you know, rocks and all that stuff. But it's time to put on the new one. It is time. So before we did put them on, we went ahead and cleaned out the threads because they were really gunky and nasty. So now that they're all cleaned out, it's time to put them on. So first step is we're gonna take off these flanges. From here, we just twist them off and they come right out. Super easy. Same thing with the other side. And the reason why we're taking off the flanges is so that we can connect a little spring to it, which are these. Alright guys, so now that we got them off, all 4 of them, with our cylinder head and our flanges, we're gonna put them together. They go right into place. And then with our spring, we're gonna just hook it on there. Now we're gonna just put this on the bike. We're gonna hand tighten it with our stock nuts. And we're gonna do this 4 times. Of course, there's 4 of them, right? Ready?
Yeah, go.
Dude, I can't see over your pinky fingers.
Okay, I need some bolts. Hold that.
Okay. I'm telling you, legs, baby.
Good job.
So now that we have the flanges hooked up onto the bike, it's time to put this 2 together. Okay, so now that we got it done, here's all the headers connected together. We're gonna go ahead and start installing this onto the R6. So before we attach it, we gotta actually put some springs on. As you can see, there's 3 of them here. We'll put one here to here, one here to here. So here's our spring. And we're gonna use our spring puller. Okay guys, so this is what the headers are looking like. As you can see the flanges, the springs that we put on earlier. And more closer look, we did go ahead and attach the O2 sensor, which is right down here. So now that we are just gonna go ahead and slip these on, we're gonna attach these springs onto these little hooks. As you see on each of them, there's 4 of them. And then we'll have the headers going.
Yeah, nice. The outer ones are easy.
So we finally did it. We put the springs towards the headers. Now the only thing that we do need to do is just tighten up these bolts and put on our slip-on exhaust back here. And that's it. Now the only thing we have to do is just put on this Akrapovic Titanium Slip-On exhaust.
might line it up right here. With that hole right there.
We finally did it. What we didn't show you prior was that we put on his titanium slip-on exhaust. We did clean it with WD-40. The reason for it is because if you leave any fingerprints or any oils, it will show up later on, and we don't want that. It will make this bike ugly. What we also didn't show you was that what do you call this? The silencer? Removed.
Oh yeah.
The silencer.
The silencer.
So now that this bike is back up and running with its new headers, new slip-on exhaust, so now what we're gonna do is just do a cold start on Nick's bike. What we want to listen for is any irregular noises or gas leaks. If so, that just means that we need to tighten up a little bit more. But let's go ahead and do it. About Nick's new exhaust? Let us know down below in the comments. Other than that, we'll see you next video with his bearings on the bike.
"24 hours later."